AirPod 6, cruise speed at 210.
Cruise speed 210, AirPod 6.
AirPod 6 at RT, join ILS, runway 28 right course.
RT, join ILS 28 right course, AirPod 6.
Okay. Speed 210, descending via the arrival. And at RG, join the ILS 28 right approach. See the updated winds. It got a little bit worse. You said it was 21021, gusting 26, right?
Yeah, 1434, reduce speed to 210 if you're high, that's approved.
Reduce speed to 210 and copy.
Okay, so we got 19 off the left with a gust, 11,500 feet, windy factor 3,900, 115 VREF, and we're pretty light. Okay, it's gonna be a fun one. And we already completed the approach checks. Alright, let's look again. Yeah, there's San Jose, there's Muffet, there's Apple Park.
Be on the ground, seatbelt sign is on. Seatbelt set right.
Left.
Now icing condition, altimeter set 3 times.
SoCal, good afternoon, United 1902 Heavy, descending via the Diamond 5. We have Victor coming through flight level 262.
United 1902 Heavy, NorCal approach, expect ILS 28 right, temps call 200 is 2998.
Expect ILS 28 right, 2998 on the meters, United 1902.
Control aircraft lanes for California, segments 47 Whiskey, 46 Whiskey, 43 Whiskey, and 42 Whiskey, valid on flight service frequency.
Exciting.
AirPod 6, contact approach 135.65.
3565, AirPod 6, good day. Approach hello, AirPod 6, 9000, descending via Diamond 5, we have Victor.
AirPod 6, NorCal, hello.
And speed 210.
Yeah, 1447, turn left, 310, join 28 left, localizer.
Link 310, join the 28 left localizer, United 1427.
That was 6052. That's 321, contact
SFO. 1 o'clock.
Yeah, I see that.
That's B21, contact approach 120.1.
120.1, just B21. NorCal Scout 6052, 7000 descending 6000, right turn 010.
Yeah, 6052, flying 360.
Heading 360, Scout 6052.
That's here, 3531, maintain 4000.
4000, departure right 3071.
1, 2,
Yeah,
1 to go.
1447, DI, cleared ILS for 28 left.
We have ghost needles. Okay.
Third ILS 28 left, 179, 1427.
Roger, 3581, you're 10 for maximal flight, heading 320, maintain at above 4,000 feet, south sun localizer, cleared ILS for 28 right approach, maintain 180 knots.
320, clear for visual 28 right, maintain 180, frontier flight 3581, and heading on 320.
Right approach, frontier 3581.
28 right, correct.
Scout 6052, maintain 4,000.
Down to 4,000, Scout 6052.
AirPod 6, maintain 6,000.
6000, AirPod 6.
6,000.
And 1427, contact San Francisco Tower.
Oh, we'll be back here in like 2 days, and then we get a repo from
3581,
San Jose to Muffet.
Contact tower, frontier flight 3581.
It's gonna be a fun one.
Yeah, sure.
Scout 6052, traffic 12 o'clock at 3 southeastbound 1,600 for 3,000 is the Skylane.
looking for Scout 6052.
Actually, Scout 652, major to maintain 5,000. I think they're going to keep going up.
Okay, 5,000 Scout 6052.
They got World Cup games at in San Jose, right? In the was it the 49ers stadium over there?
So, yeah.
Okay, 330.
I assume so, yeah.
Playing today.
It's right over there, yeah.
52, maintain speed 180.
Speed 180, Scout 6052.
4,000 going in at 1434, 7.5, descending 7,000 ILS to your right course only.
1434, North Cal after Archie, maintain 6,000.
After Archie, maintain 6,000 unit to 1434.
First Southwest 3168, 8.5, descending 6, slow into 210, and to join the course for 28 left.
Southwest 3168, North Cal, maintain 5,000.
5,000, Southwest 3168.
Southwest 6052, to maintain 3,000.
So maintain 3,000, Scout 6052.
AirPod 6, to maintain 4,000.
So maintain 4,000, airport 6.
4,000 set.
4,000 set, and of course just be ready for a go around in this airport because it happens more than often. Or more often than not.
They're ready.
SoCal Skyline 945.
Now they paved any runway at Muffet.
Climbing 3,000.
954 Golf, North Cal departure, radar contact 1 southeast, pilot up to climb, maintain 4,000. Verify you get the 1 minute weather at Half Moon Bay.
Alright, there's a guy diving for 28 left ahead of us.
45 Golf.
45 Golf,
see
San Francisco,
the guy in front of him.
2998.
Yep.
2998, 45 Golf.
Got 60 feet speed, 6 from DX, cleared ILS for 28 left, approach, maintain 180 knots speed.
Speed 180, cleared ILS 28 left, Scout 6052.
AirPod 6, you're 10 for maximal, cleared ILS for 28 right approach, maintain 180 knots axis.
Right, it's 28 right approach, 180 on the speed at Axmal, airport 6.
Okay.
Southwest 3168, turn right heading 360, maintain 5,000.
Right heading 360, maintain 5,000, Southwest 3168.
I go that just a little bit more.
Maintain 170 knots down, contact San Francisco Tower.
Speed 170 over to Tower, Scout.
Just a second.
AirPod 6, maintain 180 knots now, contact San Francisco Tower.
180 now over tower, good day, airport 6.
Okay, I'm gonna hit approach to get the glide slope. We got both localizer and glide slope.
Same.
Tower hello, airport 6, ILS 28 right, 180 speed reducing.
AirPod 6, I'm Tower 19020, 82 right, clear to land.
We try clear to line, airport 6.
Tower Scout 6052, ILS 2 left.
Gonna go gear down, please, sorry.
190 at 21, 182 left, clear to land.
That 210 barrier is annoying. And now we can go flaps 20.
We check 20.
Copy.
There we go.
We're clear to land.
Yeah, otherwise we're not gonna slow down.
See 3 greens.
Yeah, I see it.
Landing clearance and...
Scout
all right.
3081, good rate to 3,000, contact North Cal departure.
3,000, over to departure, Skywest 3081.
Okay, speed 180, looking good.
9871 heavy, Center Tower 28 left, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 28 left, United 871 heavy.
I might land just a little bit long to help us with the, we can't really vacate, I guess, right on,
After the runway.
yeah, or we can make Lima. That's also fine. But there's no operations on 01.
1427, turn left at Tango, ground point 8.
Tango point 8, United 1427.
990 heavy, contact North Cal departure.
Departure United 92.
Speed.
United 871 heavy, RNAV gunner, runway 28 left, clear for takeoff.
RNAV gunner 28 left, clear for takeoff. United 871 heavy.
United 520 at the approach in, caution jet blast. Cross runway 28 left, hold short runway 28 right.
United 5 channel clear to cross
Approaching Axmal.
hold short to a right.
You can see on the shade how they're playing.
Yeah.
Perhaps.
Absolutely. Okay, and let's slow down just a little bit more. Flaps full, please.
Pitch check. Up selected 30.
And you can complete the before landing checks.
Turn left, hold short, runway 28 left.
Straight left,
Three
hold short,
green.
28 left, 100 flight, 35,
30.
Confirmed.
All right zone, clear to line exit to the right.
Under flight 35, 81, keep speed up on Tango, cross 28 left, ground point 8, traffic's 2 out.
How's it going? Unit 1434 is 3.9 ILS 28 right.
Frontier flight 3581, hold short, runway 28 left.
Hold short, 28 left, 100 flight, 3581.
Southwest 3168, South Tower, wind 20018, runway 28 left, clear land.
Straight left, clear land, southwest 3168.
9071 heavy, contact with departure.
United, 871 heavy, departure, good day.
Delta
Jesus Christ, look at that queue.
25, plan runway 28 right
Windy.
for departure.
Now look at the queue for takeoff, 28 left.
Ah!
Jesus.
Like 12 planes.
Right. Just don't get that used to it.
Approaching 28 right.
Okay.
Tower, United 1434 28 right.
Unit 1434, South Tower, wind 20017, runway 28 right, clear land.
5.
Clear right, land, Unit 1434, any chance for Quebec?
92623, South Tower, runway 28
A little
left,
bit low. It's fine.
2623, line up point, runway 28 left.
1434, if you keep your speed up, that's approved.
I'll get the speed up, copy, Unit 1434.
Approaching minimums.
There's 6052, good roll down to Echo, left at Echo, ground point 8.
Minimums.
Echo, contact ground, Skywest 6052.
100.
9520, runway 28 right,
40,
line up and wait, traffic on
30,
6 mile finals, 737.
20.
28 right,
10.
line up and wait, 95 training.
United 2623,
deployed.
out to Gunner.
Reverses.
Yeah, we're not going to use the reverses too much.
2623, clear for takeoff.
We're going to go right after the runways.
18.
AirPod 6, turn right at Echo, ground point 8.
Right, then echo over to the ground. AirPod 6. 670.
Yeah, and there's Echo.
60. 50.
Okay. Reverses idle.
And 45.
That was a fun one.
American 2537, plan
Yeah,
runway
let's
28
go.
right.
Alright, we'll plan 28 right, American 2537.
Come to when you have a chance.
Just 1 second. Come to.
Granelo AirPod 6, vacating 28 right. At Echo, taxi signature.
AirPod 6, Orange Grand taxi via Charlie to the ramp.
Charlie to the ramp, AirPod 6.
After landing.
Continue, hold the beam Sierra.
Landing complete.
Bravo 5.
Good job on the approach.
APO.
Yeah, you can turn on the AVO.
Ah, good job on the landing. Oh, that was windy.
Yeah, sure was.
APO is going.
Bravo 5, continue all the way.
All the way, Bravo 5.
Ground Southwest 31.
Alright, I think I got the VIP parking.
Delta 1.
South 3168, someone's contacted via Alpha to the ramp.
Alpha to the ramp, Southwest 3168.
Taxi lights off.
Off.
And almost we got the blades.
Ground, Rapband 7, Signature Aviation, ready for taxi with beat.
We're just gonna take the minimum of the wave here. There's a fuel. Swap the blades.
Ground Southwest 3168. We've been told that Delta 1 is occupied. They want us to hold somewhere
All right.
wherever you want.